Hey everyone, welcome back to Levels of Styles with Sandra. Today we are on week number 9 and we are doing, this is the Love Your Home Challenge. And this week we are to complete a project that we were doing last year. And last year I had painted my dining room chairs with chalk paint, and I had left 2 of them to reupholster. And as you can see, I had completed this one somewhat, but I was trying to figure out what I wanted to do for my trim because I have not yet found trim that I like. Well, I have chair number 2 over there that I need to complete. And I also need to complete the back of this chair. So, if you guys are any bit interested in seeing how my chairs will turn out, please keep on watching. I have my fabric for chair number 2. And yeah. We are going to get into this video. Now, I don't know if I'm going to share with you all step by step because I am recording on my phone and I have limited storage. So I will capture as much as I can and share with you the process. All right. And before I go, if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. If you are new to the channel, I would love to have you here. If you are a returning subscriber, you know I appreciate all your continued support. If you have not yet checked out Marilyn's channel, Cozy Lifestyle, please go over to her channel. I will have her link down below, and I will also have the playlist down below. All right, let's get into this video.